everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so happy to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And as you can see from the box, this is my Boxyluxe for the month of December 2018. And just a little bit about BoxyCharm and Boxyluxe before we get into this video. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription for $21 a month, free shipping in the US, and you receive four to five full-size products. And you have the option of prepaying for the box for 3, 6, and 12-month prepays. It's a little bit cheaper to do it that way if you choose. And usually the boxes range from skincare, makeup, to beauty tools and cosmetics. And then this box here, this large box, the regular Boxyluxe probably encompasses like maybe this much of the box. It's just like a normal like Target or Walmart style size box for the normal one. This is the Boxyluxe. You receive this 4 times a year in March, June, September, and December. And this is an additional charge of $28.99 plus the $21 that you would normally pay for the BoxyCharm, for a total of $49.99 for this every 3 months. This box, I believe, has 9 luxury products in it, lifestyle, skincare, makeup, and more. And you have to be subscribed to BoxyCharm in order to be eligible to be part of the Boxyluxe. So without any further yapping on my part, let's get right in. This box is heavy and it's big. And I just opened the seal so that for ease of use. And you always get a card, and this, everything is supersized, so normally the card is not this big. And the theme for this box is "'Tis the Season" Boxyluxe. And it shows you the items you get inside, and then it gives you a description of everything included in the box with the prices, which is nice, so that we can at least see what's going on here. And this is just a warranty. There's one item in here. So we'll start off with the first thing that I see, and that's here. So let's open this up. I know what this is because we did get emails as to what we wanted to receive. And it says PYT, it's a girl's world. And this is a mini flat iron, and it comes, Velcroed in here. And I do use a full-size flat iron every day. Ooh, I got a pretty color. I wasn't sure. I know there were pinks, and so I got this pretty color. And it has floating heads. They do move. I do have a mini that I have used in the past. But I did choose this versus, trying to think what the other option was. I'm really not sure. But I did choose this because I will use it. So that is an awesome product. And that is the, where is it on this paper? The PYT Mini Hair Straightener. And this has an MSRP of $75. I know, according to their site, if you go to their site, their products are expensive. I clearly would never spend $75 on a mini flat iron. And this box always comes well packaged with foam and so forth. The next product in the box this month, open all this stuff up. Sometimes I pre-open it to get rid of all this stuff so it's a nice, faux leather. I don't think that's real leather, bag. Glam AF, not a saying that I would put on my bag, but it is what it is. And in here, this is, well, undo this too. I'm not going to undo this. This is actually a phone charger. Comes with the cord so that you can charge your phone. And in this bag, it has a nice, a nice pocket. Probably something, something I will not use. I have so many phone chargers, and I have one for my computer. So I probably will save that for a giveaway. in the future. The next item, which is what I smell, this box smells so good, is from, oh, let me tell you about the wristlet. It's from Crimes of Beauty is the company, and it's a wristlet and a portable charger, and the MSRP on that is $22. And that's like USB, you know, chargeable for, you know, for your phone. And this here is the Sponge Gel, and this is Blossom Bliss, and this is a multi-use body wash infused buffer. And we'll open this up so you can see. I mean, I have received one of these before, I think in my FabFitFun, but this one I think is a little bit, well, they're probably about the same size. So this is like a little bit harder of a sponge, and it has all the body wash infused in it, and you just wet it, and, you know, you can use it several times, and that really, if the scent is, what did I say, Blossom Bliss, that really smells nice. I do like that. So we'll put that there. And the Sponge L Body Wash Infused Buffer has an MSRP value of $20. The next item in my box, which is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. You can see right there. And let's open this up. Here's the packaging, shiny front. It does have a mirror. And then it does have, you know, plastic over it, which I'm not going to take off. And this has Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. So you have your blush, your bronzer, and your highlighter. So your bronzer, your blush, and your highlighter, which is very pretty. Nice packaging. Beautiful, like, you know, beautiful sunset on the package. And this, let me see, where is this on my paper? A Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette has an MSRP of $26. So that's there. I'll put that here. And then, oh, we have lots of items in here this time. We'll take this foam out and get rid of that. And then the next item is from Grande Mascara, and this is Lash Boosting Formula. I'm not going to open this just because of, once you open it and air gets to it, it will activate the time frame that you can use it. And this has an MSRP of $25. And I'm sure it's black. Doesn't say if it's black or not. And this does say, where is it? So I've reading something. Oh, it promotes healthier lashes, infused with a lash-loving blend of peptides, natural waxes. It's buildable, water-resistant formula. So that's nice, and that's definitely, you know, a full-size product. The next is a Tarte product, and this packaging is, and this is the Tartiest Shimmering Lip Paint, and I received the color, or the shade, Insta Famous. I could have swore I got something similar to this in the past. I don't know, in another box, I'm really not sure. Maybe I've just seen so many people unboxing it. I'm really not sure. So that's it right there, which I'm not going to open this either because I have so many lip glosses in use that, or I might use it as part of a giveaway, depending upon that. Another item that I am, so the Tarte, let me find the Tarte product on this paper. And the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint has an MSRP of $20. And the next item, which thrilled to get, is from Elemis. And this is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And this is for anti-aging. This is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. And this Elemis product has an MSRP of $89, which I believe because Elemis is expensive. Skincare in general is expensive, but Elemis is expensive. So here is the packaging. Let's open this up. Oh. Let's see if I can get the, oops. So what I like to see is no major air pocket or, oh, wow. Or, you know, half a pot. Because you really don't, you know, it's deceiving that this, I don't know if you can sort of see, you can sort of tell that it's not, you know, this is a huge outer, you know, packaging, but cream everywhere. So we'll stick that on my hand. We're not going to waste that. So that's nice. Right now, you know, I won't be using this anywhere in the near future, but I might save it or give it to a family member or a friend. I am in the process of using Dermalex skincare exclusively to see how that's working out. So I won't be adding that into my regimen right now. And the next thing that I see is from Luxe, and this is the complete face set. And it does come with a stand to put your brushes in, and these are the rose gold complete face brush set, and this is an MSRP of $65. So let's open this up. I know a lot of people that were unboxing said that it had an odor, so one, I'll either just let them air out or I will wash them. So there they are. Yeah, a little bit of a chemical smell, but that's okay. And that is, it's pretty strong, so I definitely will probably wash them before I use them on my face. Let me just get that out. Okay, so this is like a cardboard box. I thought maybe it would be like a plastic box, but it has little things in there to hold them nice and still. And these, I've received, oh wow, that they are really soft. I've received a few Luxe brushes. Comes with a spoolie, and I think this is a lip. Get it out. Let's see if I can get that out of there. Yes, I do think that this is a, oh no. Oh yeah, this is a lip brush. But it comes in a nice, you know, to put lipstick on. It comes in a nice case so that if you do decide to put it in your handbag, you're not going to, because a lot of times they're just retractable and the end is open. So that is nice that you could, you know, keep that in your bag with a lipstick. I know, you know, I like to use, if you have a favorite lipstick and you get down to the end, they're always nice to make sure you get all, you know, every bit of product. So these are nice. Oh, I'm sorry. Bang the camera. It's always nice to have another spoolie. So I'm pleased with them. I think they might just be able to air out, but like I said, if they smell a little bit too much, let's get this out of the way, then I will just give them a wash before I use them. And I don't know if I did say that has a $65 value. And in here, let's see, you have a brow and lash spoolie, a flat definer brush, you have you have a round top blender, you have a tapered highlighting brush, you have a lip brush, a pro precision face brush. So you have quite a few brushes there, which is fabulous. And the last product, I believe the last product in the box, yes, which is something that I was excited to get. And this is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow. And this is HG. And that probably stands for Holy Grail. Ooh, the glare. And let's get this open. I think this is sealed. Yes, let me get a scissor and open this. Okay. Sorry for the squeaky floors. I live in an old house with hardwoods, and sometimes they squeak. So let's get this opened. Okay. It's a nice cardboard, huh? So the it looks just like, you know, the box. Let's open this up. It has a nice mirror on it. And these are the colors. Wow, that is beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not going to be swatching any of these. Like I said, I have, you know, quite a few eyeshadow palettes. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be keeping this or not, but, you know, if I do, I can decide to swatch it on, you know, a standalone video, but I might not be keeping that, so I don't want to be touching it. So that is nice. And let's see what it says about this. Where are you, Violet Voss? Violet Voss Pro HG palette. And it has 20 highly pigmented eyeshadows ranging in finish from creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin. The vegan, cruelty-free formula. That's good. Let me see here. And this is an MSRP of $45. So I am extremely happy with my, and this is my first Boxyluxe. I am a Boxy charmer. And I have been probably for about 4 months and have really never been disappointed with my Boxy charm. Always get really nice products. So just want to use this to stand things up in the box a little bit. We have the Luxe brushes. We have the Violet Voss palette. We have the palette, the blush and highlighter palette from Wander Beauty. I'll stick that there. We have the Sponge L Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. Put that down in there like that. Somehow try to get it to stay up, which it's not going to. We have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. We have the Grande Mascara. We have from Tarte the Tartiest Shimmering Lip Paint. We have from the brand PYT the Mini Flat Iron, which I'm thrilled with. What else? What else? Oh, the bag. So then we have the bag and the charger, which is inside with the charger. And that is everything that is included. I think that's everything, right? I'm not missing. Oh, and with the flat iron, it come with a little bit of, probably like a little bit of a heat protectant case. And that is everything that I have received in my December 2018 Boxyluxe. And like I said, this is a $49.99 charge that we paid with, I believe, over, I think it was either $250 value or over a $300 value. I think I read $300 value. And I can't say that I'm unhappy. I love everything in here. I mean, I love makeup brushes. I love the flat iron. I mean, I use a big flat iron. I do have a small travel one. I don't use it that often, but I'm excited to try this one because I've read really great things about that. The case and the phone charger is nice to receive. You know, I have tons of those. So like I said, I will be including that in the video. The highlighter palette, the mascara, the lip paint. I don't think I forgot anything. And these, you know, the Sponge L, you know, I'm not usually a big fan of those, but I'm going to give it a try this month. And then, of course, receiving the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream in the box is something that I am extremely thrilled about. So then this box is the 'Tis the Season Boxyluxe. And I did receive, they have different versions of the boxes, because some didn't contain, I think, a translucent powder in place of the highlighter palette. So on the back, you can see that I received version 4 of the box, which I'm perfectly fine with. Either product, whether I got the highlighter, bronzer, and blush, or the translucent powder, didn't really matter to me. I, you know, felt the same about both. Would have enjoyed either and or both. But like I said, a couple of the products I was really excited about, the palettes and the Elemis, and then the flat iron. So thank you for watching, and have a great holiday and a new year. And that would be it for today. Bye.